Hi friends, welcome to IrfanCreates. This is action figure part 27 and in this video we will see how to make this foot with full of articulation in limits. Its ankle can be bent from front like this and have a look from back side. From side ankle bends nicely. This is second articulation. Now it has some limitation here. This cuts at sole, avoids more bending downwards. Joint number 3 allows us to bend shoe in smooth arc. Now this is joint number 4. Toe can be bent downwards and of course upward. It will help us to articulate shoe or foot while making our figure walk. So if you want to know how I made it, then do watch full video without skipping and let's get started. Now let's start with our figure's rig. First we are going to make a heel for our figure's rig, and this is the heel made of cardboard layers. Now I will stick it like this over heel area. I am applying here glue on model's opposite side. Now let's connect it with model like this and it stick nicely. Now I have two pieces which are made for ankle joint. They are named as in and out buttons. Let's join its both cuts edges as I do always with my every template. Now the opposite edges will be sticked in the same way. So both in and out pieces are done and the inner portion is also covered nicely with cardboard layers. Remember, we can't stick anything on this inner ring, so we will stick this in and out pieces on this outer ring. Now apply very limited glue with any fine tool or you can use a toothpick also, because the portion is very less and excessive glue will ruin your model easily. So now I am sticking the in ankle piece on left side and the out ankle piece on right side. The inner ankle bone point should be in middle like this and outer one point should be little below. And see how nicely our joint system is working without any disturbance. So now I am keeping it aside to dry and will work on figure's right shoe, which is left shoe for us. Now I am preparing template number 1. Let's make it curve like this. As you can see, I have layered it inside already. And now I am joining its both ends. Well, the template cover is ready and now I am applying glue over this portion. Let's see how it looks on our model. Well, it looks good and working nicely as I wanted. This is template number 2 with very limited cuts and it will play very important role in foot articulation. Let's curve it after adding inside layers. Can you see this screw? This is the spot where we have to stick it. Taking very small amount of glue and applying very carefully on both end of screw. Now let's stick this template with these glued screw ends. Remember, your template and glue should touch only the screw ends, not on other parts. This is template number 3 and it's also coated from inside. To stick it with foot, I am applying glue only on the heel portion. While placing any cover or templates to a model, you should calculate that where and how much glue should be applied on your actual model, so the template is stick properly on heel and it looks good. Ankle cuts are following each other and matching nicely. At this moment, this cover is at upside of this one and it overlaps the below one. Now we can rotate this one like this and we can also rotate the upper one. And now the below one can be overlap the upper one. Now I am gluing this part for template cover 4. Here I am gluing very less amount and screw should not be glued. Now let's glue on opposite side too, and previous cover is trimmed slightly just to appear screws. So I am sticking our fourth cover over this glued part. While sticking, I do always check positions of articulations properly. Extra parts can be trimmed off. Now this is our fifth and last template cover for toe part of shoe. So guys, I have started making all templates digitally. If anyone wants to buy them, he or she need to just print out them, cut and paste. Soon I will complete them and will announce to the viewers about. Viewers can buy them directly from me and can pay me by Google Pay or PayPal. Now the toe cover is ready and inside coating is also done. To stick the cover, I am applying glue on toe edge. After gluing the edge, let's place the cover in its place. And now I am turning it upside down to see its lower edges are leveled or not. So now I am sticking 0.5 millimeter 5 to 6 strips to the lower edge of shoe, and this will be our shoe sole. And strip number 2 will be stick just over strip number 1. And finally these are strip number 5 and 6. Now I am marking some lines on sole strips according to all covers, and then we'll make cuts on these lines like this. All cuts are done according to each parts, and on opposite side also the cuts are done. These cuts are carrying limits for our shoe articulation. Now we can articulate these parts more realistically, all because of these cuts. This gap is looking so bad, so let's hide it and I'll do something about it. I have taken a strip and let's stick it over template number 4. So now the gap is hidden and it's working nicely and smoothly. And now it's time for shout out. Guys, you all usually send me such wonderful comments. I would like to mention few names who always comment and encourages me. Their names are Gaming Vishnu, Guru Desu, Tapeshwar and Spartan Games. So if you like this video and the shoe model, do let me know in comment box and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then take care and bye bye friends.